Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening display settings and locating the blue light option. On Windows, it's night light. On Mac OS, it's night shift. Once found, enable the feature so the system applies a warmer tone immediately. You must have admin rights on some work machines. If prompted, allow changes. Then move the basic warmth slider to roughly 50% to create a visible effect. By starting here, you create an immediate baseline, so you can measure and fine-tune color and scheduling in the next steps. Once the baseline is set, you adjust the color temperature slider to dial in the exact warmth you prefer. Warmer reduces blue light more, cooler preserves color accuracy. Make sure to set a schedule, choose sunset to sunrise for automatic timing, or enter custom hours for specific routines. If the built-in options lack precision, install a third-party like Flux and allow location or time permissions. This gives smoother transitions and app-specific rules. By doing these middle steps, you balance comfort and color fidelity for real use. You finish by testing. Open photos, documents, and web pages to verify comfort and legibility. Make small slider tweaks until you're satisfied. Once done, save the profile or copy settings to other devices to keep a consistent look. If issues arise, try this key troubleshooting tip. Update your display and GPU drivers, then disable HDR or any screen overlay apps because they can override blue light filters. If that fails, temporarily revert to default settings and reapply the filter to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.